Luke and Xena here. Time to try some new stuff at Subway and Dairy Queen. Me and Xena got the new Outlaw and we added avocado and spinach. The toasted peppers and onions go really well with the juicy steak, and it's even better with that Baja Chipotle on top. I got the Oreo hot cocoa blizzard and added some cheesecake. This blizzard is super good. 10 out of 10, definitely recommend. Tastes just like hot cocoa and some big chunks of Oreos. Check out the new menus at Dairy Queen and at Subway, and subscribe to our channel for some full videos.